Hey there everybody, Fashion Boy Robby here. Quick little video today. It's been a little bit, it's been a couple weeks. I ordered, what I didn't show you in my birthday month pickup vlog is that I ordered a custom Louis Vuitton um, dopp kit. So it's finally ready. I'm gonna go pick it up today at the mall. And then come with me for a quick little vlog today. Might do a little shopping. I do have to run some errands later on today, not at the mall. But come with me for a little bit to check out my new Louis Vuitton purchase. And before we go, I gotta show you my new Fendi men's peekaboo. Absolutely scored this on the real. Um, Beautiful burgundy color. You got the inside with the Fendi FFs. Silver hardware. Oop, let me back up a little bit. Absolutely love this bag. I believe it's from the fall winter 2021 collection, if I'm not mistaken. It came with the raincoat and everything. I got it for a fraction of the price of new, and I'm just so happy with this purchase.
This is a good photo. Hold on. Let me just like that.
Perfect.
Oh my god, it looks so nice.
I'm so glad. Purchase because she's gonna use my bag too. So cool. Just following up from my last vlog to Short Hills Mall. Um, Picked up my Louis Vuitton dopp kit, the custom dopp kit event that they had for the past maybe month or so. You saw a little glimpse of it in the vlog. It's been about a week. I've been visiting friends, working, and then I had some friends come visit actually me yesterday, and I drove them to the city and did a little sightseeing tour with them. I also picked up a couple other things that I'll show you in a different video, but I'll show you at the end of this video what I picked up from the Chelsea Market flea. So first things first, let's go ahead and unbox the Louis Vuitton dopp kit. The sales associate I was working with also gave me some eau de parfum of the new Imagine. Pull it up for you. The Imagine eau de parfum. It's hard to pull up there. It's very fresh scent. Good. I think it's a very good summer scent. I like it a lot. I don't know the base layers of this, but let's spray it on a little bit. It's got that fresh green, a little bit of lemon smell to it. So highly recommend go testing this out in store. Came in a cute little Louis Vuitton bag. And then got the dopp kit. Get this bad boy out of here. She wrapped it up really nice. Look at that, the blue ribbon. Let's unbox this. It's always hard to take off the ribbon and not mess it up. Alrighty. Whoop, there goes the bag. Here's the box. You get the pull tab. here's the kit. Unwrap it. Nice little Louis Vuitton packaging with a Johnny Yang check print. I'm so excited. I haven't seen it in about a week. And here is the classic dopp kit in the LV print. Custom monogram with my initials and the patches right here. I got the little teddy bear insignia, and then there's some LV patches here. This was all one patch. So the way it works, if you go online, I'll insert some snapshots here on the website creation. You can choose the pattern of the well, I chose a stripe. I don't know the exact names off the top of my head, but you could choose kind of on the corner, you know, a stripe on the corner with different colors, green, blue. I chose the saffron yellow and this quartz outer two lines. It's beautiful. I love it a lot. It says it's made in France, but it was a pretty quick shipment. It took about 5 weeks. Who knows? They probably maybe did the hot stamping in the States, but in any case, you got the inside. The vachetta leather on the inside. I'll pull it up in there for you. You got the single opening here, and with the tag that says made in France. So I'm glad I got this. I have a dopp kit upstairs. I use it. It's from Nordstrom. I'm a Nordstrom Icon member. So at a certain point I got free beauty products. And I got 2 of those Nordstrom dopp kit bags. They're a little grimy, but they do the work, and I wanted something nice that I could travel with here. So I'm glad I got this. I love the pattern, love the color. Yeah. Apologies, it's a synthetic interior here for the interior, and then just the vachetta letter on the pull tab. It's actually my first monogram piece, so I'm happy to have put this to good use, and I can't wait to put it to good use, and I'm glad I got this. Okay, that was the Louis Vuitton unboxing. Next thing I want to show you is my jacket. I do have some other purchases that I have bought in the meantime that I am going to show you, but also including my new Fendi Peekaboo. It's actually from the fall 2022 men's collection. It's this nice burgundy color. You'll see that in an upcoming video and kind of my overall first impressions of the bag. But then also some other purchases, so stay tuned for that. But first, I want to show you my new jacket. So yesterday I was at the Chelsea flea market and I saw this beautiful bomber jacket. It's actually reversible. You can see the detail here. It's you know, this stitched in woven flower detail. I spoke to the designer Amar. The company's name, the brand's name is 1432, so 1 spelled out, 432, and it's this beautiful handmade piece. And I tried it on. I think it's stunning. Hold on, let me try it on for you right now. Actually goes with my PJ set right now. It's got beautiful pockets. I love the color. It's got a little bit of gray, this kind of blue, like this light blue, and brown, like a lighter brown. It's beautiful. It's stunning, and I met the designer, talked to him a little bit. Yeah, and he just thanked me for appreciating his work and you know, buying into his craft. And I just find it totally beautiful. There's a whole flower print on the back. Move my hair. And it's reversible too. I'll show you on the inside. It's a good fall piece, so definitely for the fall, you know, winter as well. We don't get too cold of a winter. Want no print. This side could be worn as well. This one has kind of the front pockets versus the side pocket. I got the size extra large. So yeah, there's that. It's beautiful. So check them out. They are the brand called 1432, and they're based, oh, well, they're at the Chelsea Market Flea. So if you see them, they're all, definitely check them out. Check on some of the pieces, and they have some beautiful denim embroidered pieces, jackets, shackets, and thicker varieties. So that's all I had for you today. Quick little video. I'll be back with another video, another couple of videos showing my new Fendi bag, and then also some other purchases and some styling. So stay tuned. This is Fashion Boy Robby. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.